What's up, Patriots? In honor of Hispanic Heritage Month, our cooking club decided to cook up a delicious Hispanic treat. Before we find out what they cooked, let me introduce the club teacher, the delightful Miss D, and assisting her, the legendary Miss Parlatory. Let's listen in for a moment as Miss Parlatory explains what they're going to make.
So I cook for my church kids, and we make elote all the time, and the kids love it. We use kernel corn, which isn't typical. A lot of times you can use, you would normally use corn on the cob, but we're gonna do it in a cup so it's easier and it stretches further and it's more economical for the kids to do. And it'll be an easy side dish or something just fun as a treat to do at home with their family.
Wow, so they're making street corn. I can't wait to see how it turns out. To make street corn, first, pour frozen corn into a pot with enough water to cover the corn. For this recipe, we used a 32-ounce bag. Next, drop in 4 tablespoons of minced garlic and 3 teaspoons of pepper. Now mix it all up and let the corn cook. While the corn is cooking, cut up some limes and start breaking up some Ole Fresco cheese. Scoop the corn mixture into a bowl and add mayo and Parmesan. Then add the Ole Fresco cheese into the corn. And for the finishing touch, add some tahini and a bit of lime. Mix it up and enjoy!
Oh, it's so good.
The street corn looks like it turned out amazingly. Only one thing left to do. It's time to chow down on this delicious Hispanic treat. Well, until next time, happy Hispanic Heritage Month, Patriots!